incident घडला तेजेर हे 0 hour mention. Fear and anxiety in the minds of the people of Kolwa and Goa at large for loss of life of a tourist from Jaipur, Rajasthan on 14 July 2022 at Kolwa Beach in Banaulim constituency due to electrocution from a live wire of an ornamental lamp. And this seems to have happened due to substandard nature of beautification work and material use. An inquiry to be done into the beautification work at Kolwa Beach and compensation to the victim's family by either the power department or the tourism department, and set up a procedure to check electrification at Kolwa Beach and all other beaches of Goa to avoid such happenings. Also, Speaker Sir would like to demand an FIR to go into this, because what we understand now is it was not the electricity department, it was the GTDC contractor who was appointed, and due to that contractor's negligence, this happened. So that contractor need to be penalized. Any compensation should come out from the contractor.
Yes. Next, Sri
Speaker
Alex
Sir.
Lawrence.
स्पीकर सर, आमच्या बाब बेंझीनचो विशय मांडला. कोलवा बिचाचेर every year sea erosion has been happening in various parts of Goa as far as the beach stretches are concerned. बाब बेंझीन जेन्ना 2 तारखेक म्हज्या नजरेक हाडलें की कोलवा बीच एथिस्ट प्रॉब्लेम जाला येवचो म्हणून, immediately on that same day we have had a joint inspection with tourism department. थंय वतकर जंय इरोजन ज्या तरेन जाल्लें, it needed immediately to be attended. त्या खातीर WRDक रिक्वेस्ट करून we said to put the sand bags over there so that further erosion जावचें न्हय म्हणून. त्या टायमार we have also given instructions over there की जें कितें आसा over the side तें जाय जाल्यार डिसमेंटल करून घेवचें म्हणून. आतां लायव्ह वायर, नॉन लायव्ह वायर ते सगळें ते सांगता ते फॅक्ट फायंडिंगाक आमी ऑलरेडी GDCचे इंजिनियर धाडल्या, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी धाडल्या, पुलीस केसूय जाल्ली आसा. Unless we get that particular report properly in hand, it is difficult for us to comment as of date. पूण जें कितें आसा तितलीच काळजी आमकां आसा, तातूंतल्यान इमिजिएटली थंय वचून full line disconnect करून dismantle सुद्दां करपाक लायल्या, which you are also aware. So I only request our MLA की कितें जाय तें करतले, पूण पयलें आमकां fact finding report आमकां येवनी.
Alex Lawrence.
But as a state, I think
Alex
to set an
Lawrence,
example, we should look for a compensation for the person who died.
Report येवनी मरे.
0 hour mention.
Speaker sir, fear and anxiety in the minds of taxi drivers, rickshaw drivers and taxi driver for not having proper and specific rickshaw stand at Arlem. The action government intends to take. Speaker sir, जायत time जाला, this issue is pending.
Mention
आणि त्यांका एक minute, त्यांका कितें जाला, there is fear that the residents are also creating problems. So केशे भाशेन हें जावपा जाय. So we have already moved proposal with PWD and it is pending for a long time. ते केशे भाशेन एक assurance जाय बेगीन जातलें.
Sri Vijay Sardesai.
Fear and anxiety among parents, students and youth over decline in the quality of education provided at college and university levels in Goa. Speaker sir, वयरूच एक न्यूज आहा की गोवा युनिव्हर्सिटी सेंटराचे टॉप 100 युनिव्हर्सिटींतली नंबरांतलीच गेल्या म्हणून. गेल्या वर्सा ती आशिल्ली 96, ताजे पयलीं आशिल्ली 81st, आतां 100रांतली भायर गेल्या. Speaker sir, this is a cause of concern. म्हाका दिसता ruling party takes interest in university only during university elections. After that तुमची युनिव्हर्सिटीचो तकली वता. So this is a serious cause because there are 53 affiliated colleges, out of which 29 give general education and 24 give professional education. 27,000 students come under Goa University and it is falling out of the top 100 rankings. म्हळ्यार आमची डिग्री एक्सेप्ट जातली काय ना गोंयची हो प्रश्न पडिल्लो आहा. आनी सिरियसली म्हाका जर उलोवंक दिल्लें, हांवें कॉलिंग एटेन्शन म्हणून मूव केल्लें, उलोवंक दिल्यार हांव आनी चड उलोवंक शकतालो. बट दिस इज अ कॉज ऑफ कन्सर्न.
Because sir, we are very much concerned about the Goa University.
Yes.